Now I am. Did he even take it? Oh, he took some.
Pistachio? I'll give him pistachio.
Yeah, he might like a nut. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he flew away.
I'll keep it here. That's a raisin, actually, but maybe I'll take it.
No, there's no raisins in this.
It's a raisin.
There was raisins in there? I don't even like raisins.
I like raisins. I promote raisins on a daily basis.
What about craisins?
Raisins, not so much. Raisins, however, yes, wonderful, good.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like a raisin over a craisin?
Well, when it comes to chocolate-covered raisins and chocolate-covered craisins, I'd rather have a chocolate-covered raisin.
Interesting.
Glossets, in other words.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You just blew my mind.
I like the big packs of glossets, the one you get from the theater, even though they're like $10.
If they made cranberry glossettes, what do you think they would be called?
Glossette cranberries.
Oh, he's flying a little bit.
Up here. Up here. Come on. Oh, you get that?
That was so cute.
A parasite's all over my fingers.
And then this is going to be gone because it's going to be like mauled by 17 birds. Oh yeah, this one. He looks like a jerk. He's like, where the fuck's mine? Here. Where'd you go, buddy?
These are the St. Catharines seagulls.
He pecked me a little. It's kind of cute. You're cute. They are the St. Catharines seagulls. You're cute with little green stuff.
Ready?
Ah!
Whoa. Come on. Come on. Pistachio. Oh no.
Yeah, we're totally gonna get mauled.
Hey, up here. Up here. Can you see it?
Yeah.
There you go.
Cute.